Hey, what's going on, y'all? Check it out. We doing green beans today, but these green beans will be a whole meal, and it's gonna be so tasty. But anyway, you know what time it is. Let's get it. And while you here, don't forget to give me that LSS. What's that you say? That's that like, share, and subscribe. That like, share, and subscribe. And if this is your first time here, glad you're here. Hope you become part of the LSS family, y'all. Cause we love tasty. So yeah, y'all. We're gonna start off with our green beans. We're gonna get them into a pot of boiling water. Go ahead and get them boiled down and tender. Of course, we want to make sure that all those green beans are in our pot and under that water, y'all, so they can all get tender. Now to our pan, we're gonna add some olive oil, about 2 tablespoons. And then we're gonna get in our veg. And our veg gonna be onions and bell peppers. Now those are just chopped onions and diced bell pepper drops. So of course you gotta give that a little mix. And we need to break that onion up a little bit. This won't be stubborn, y'all. That's the only thing about when you just chop that onion up. It wanna stick together. But that's okay. That's what we got our spatula for. So after we get them broke up, you know we gotta rain on them. Gotta hit them with a little salt, a little pepper. Yeah, that'll mix so that salt can do its job. Start working on them onions and breaking it down. And once we get some color on them onions, we gonna go ahead and add our turkey ground. And we're gonna go ahead and start breaking that turkey ground meat up. And yeah, y'all, one thing we gonna do here is brown that turkey meat. Just brown it. Once we got it brown, it's time to add in some diced tomatoes. Give that a little mixy mix. Now it's time to go ahead and rain on it with a little oregano. Start building them flavors. And of course, you know I gotta have some of my Tony Chachery. Y'all know I like my Tony Chachery. But you can use any kind of Cajun seasoning that you like. Now to our pan, we've added our green beans and a cup of chicken stock. And now we're gonna add in 1 can of tomato paste. Yeah, that'll mix, get everything blended. And yeah, it's almost time to eat, y'all. It's almost time to eat. The only thing we gotta do now is just put them toppers on. And them gonna be them mushrooms, y'all. Now these here are them baby portobello. Just slice. Slice kind of thick. I like mine kind of thick. But you know, it's up to you. You can slice them up thinner if you like. And all we gonna do is let this simmer for about another 2-3 minutes. And hey, it's time to plate up. It's time to plate up. So we gonna start off with some rice. Next come them beautiful green beans. With that ground turkey and mushrooms. Oh my goodness. You know, y'all, I used to make this all the time. But for some reason I stopped. But it's nice to go back and visit some of them old recipes, you know. So with mine, I had me a couple pieces of toast. And hey, I ate good that night, y'all. But anyway, y'all know what time it is. Love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.